push this in some.
We hustle daily.
You already know. We hustle daily. What's up, Hustle Nation? Welcome back to another video. It's your boy, Big Play to the Rizze, coming to y'all with another video today. All right, we are in here to check out one Pacific car today, for sure. I want to make sure I don't pass it. Gotta make sure I don't pass it so I won't have to, you know, walk twice. But we're looking for another Lexus today. Damn. Look at all that mud. Dang, gotta try to get through here, y'all. Try to find the perfect, dang, I'm trapped. All right, guys, so, but like I said, is that it right there? It's not it. Anyway, welcome back to the channel, guys. Like, comment, and subscribe to the channel. Appreciate y'all for joining me, man. We're here looking for an ES, man. I've seen it on my list. It looks pretty good. It's got low miles, so I'm trying to locate it right now. There's an IS. I still want one of that body style right there, and especially the newer body style, you know. Let me actually make sure I put this thing in my phone right so I can locate this car, and I'll be right back with you guys in a sec. I got this one right here, SC430. Still haven't had one of those either, the SC version. But I actually did pass it, so we gotta actually walk back this way. I just keep getting trapped. It's like this place got a lot of freaking cars. Can't go that way. All right, here we go. We got the ES. This is not the one though, but here's another one. Got some front end damage. Yeah, that one's completely smashed. All right, so I'm gonna walk up here, see if we can locate this thing. So it's gotta be here somewhere, man. Say it's in row 70. See if we can find it. I think I'm kind of underdressed right now. Let's see. Yeah, I see a Lexus. I don't see anything. No. Oh, wait. Here's one. I don't think that it's just, oh, it is the one. I'm looking for a silver car. It's black. It's right here. Not this. This one. Ah. It's looking kind of busted and disgusted, isn't it? 129 on the miles. Wouldn't have no power. Let me make sure. Of course not. Of course not. It's on the flat. Let me pop the hood. I usually don't like to crank up cars that don't have power, y'all, because I be kind of nervous. Because you never know what you're really gonna get once the going gets tough and the tough gets rough. You know what I mean? String bean. I don't know. I kind of want to pass on it, because I really don't want no surprises. Let me just see what the coolant look like. Yeah, I remember my boy Phantom had bought one of these, man. Well, not one of these. Really got no coolant in it, but my boy Phantom had got one, the RX. I talked to him yesterday, my boy Bruce Mobile, and he had got the RX. Yeah, like the RX truck we just seen. And he was having problems with it. I think overheating problems, right? Yep, overheating. I don't know, man. I might pass on that one, y'all. Let's keep moving.
What's going on, Hustle Nation? I just want to take this time to tell you guys about my Patreon. So for $2.99 a month, we're going to be doing giveaways. You get early access to content. You get to talk to me one-on-one if you got any questions. I got an additional 35% discount code for wehustledaily.com. You also get access to my Discord. And this is a community where everyone can help everybody, and we can all help each other in this auction process.
Now check this out. We got the Young Dolph wrap. I always call it the Young Dolph wrap because, you know, he kind of made this popular. At least I think he did. He made it famous. I don't know if he was the first to do it, but he made it famous, you know. R.I.P. to Dolph, man. So this the P85. It looks like he got some Nietzsche wheels. They like those Nietzsche wheels. Y'all remember the SRT that I had those same wheels. Looks like don't got no power though. They never get in these Teslas, man. But it definitely looks nice. The wrap. Yeah, I don't know. I don't think I'm gonna take a chance on the Lexus, man. I'm gonna just pass on that thing because I don't know. I'd rather be safe than sorry, you know. But you can't even. This is the Model S. Yeah. Yeah, man. Looks nice though. How y'all like it? Let me know in the comments below. Let me see. We got the SRT 4 right here as well. SRT 4. SRT 4. You don't really see the neons a lot. SRT 4s. Straights. This one looks in pretty good condition. It's a stick shift though. I already know. These things, I think they only came in stick shifts, right? Yeah, let me know in the comments. Nice little seat though. That's them Dodge seats for you. It's a 2004 SRT4. No power though. All right, let's keep moving.
What's going on, Hustle Nation? If you're interested in learning how to buy, sell, properly inspect these cars at auctions or private party sales, make sure you head over to wehustledaily.com. You're going to learn how to spot a bad car in seconds, how to get your dealer license, how not to get scammed from the auctions or private parties, and how not to get a limit. I got a lot of tips, a lot of tricks, and a lot of techniques in this academy that's going to teach you everything you need to know to be successful in this auction game. I done help thousands of other people. You can see what they're saying. I have helped all these people here you see in the comment section and who has been replying about my academy. So make sure you check out the website, guys. I got 2 options on there for you guys. You get the full curriculum, or I can just give you the basic how to inspect cars package. See you guys on the inside if you're interested.
Oh, what we got here? What do we have here? It's got some nice tint on that, black tint. Push this in some. Doesn't look like it messed with the reinforcement though, does it? It did mess up the foam, and it did bend this. Definitely would need a new bumper. Hold on. Okay, and a new hood, of course, bumper hood. This one got that tan interior, not tan, grayish, light grayish. Okay, Let's see, 154 miles. Let's see what we got here. Besides no gas. Turn that off right now. That looks a little different. Oh, that's still the same. Sport. Okay. Let's see what this one talking about. Let's pop the hood. Need another belt on there. Another belt or a pulley. I have to see which one it is. Looks good though. Alright, we're gonna have to check this one out. Check this one out here and see what it's got going on. Put them oh, this one even got seat warmers. I thought they all came with the seat warmers, so this one don't even have the seat warmers. I know this one was looking a little different as far as like seat warmers and yeah, even the screen is different. I've never seen one like this. This one got a few less features than like even, let me see. Yep, see, it doesn't even have the curtain on this one. So, but it ain't got no gas either. So I'm gonna do some research on this one, check this one out, and I'll be with you guys in 1 second. But you never know, I might have came here looking for an ES and found this one.
This video has been sponsored to you by AutoAstat. Now, AutoAstat is a tool that I use to help me find out if cars were staged in Copart. For example, this 2021 Cadillac CT5 was sold for $24,800. But if you go down, you can actually see more information about the car. You can see that it was vandalized. That's why it's here. The car starts and everything. But if you go all the way down to the sales history, you can see that the car was also sold in 2021, and you can find out more information about it. It was sold by the insurance company State Farm, but if you click it, you can also see that the car had another lot number that sold for $20,000. If you look at the photos here, you can also see that this car actual damage was right here on the side there. So that means that someone bought the car, fixed the doors, and then resold it back in Copart for $24,800, and they actually did the writing themselves. So they were the ones who vandalized the car. This website can also be used if you want to know how much I bought my cars for, because I never really tell you guys how much I pay for cars. So you can also find how much I pay for cars and if something is fishy going on with the car. So if you are interested, my link is in the description below. Make sure you sign up with my referral link. And lastly, this website can also be used for Copart and IAA. So here's the Copart website. All you would have to do is copy the lot number or the VIN number, or you can go to IAA and also just copy the lot number. So here's the lot number here, and all you would do is set it up top, and there you go. So it works for IAA and Copart. And lastly, there is a monthly subscription. I personally use the Pro package, which is $49.95, but you can also get the personal package, which is $19.95. You can look up cars in the last 2 years, and with the Pro package you can look up cars in the last 4 years. But when I tell you guys it is worth it, it is really worth it. It has helped me save a lot of money.
Okay, y'all, and I like it. I'm gonna roll with it, man. I'm gonna roll with it. It's not for sale yet though, but I'll roll with this one, y'all. It's got it is gonna need some work though. I can see it's like kind of bent in right there, but nothing too major, man. Rear end damage is not as bad as front end damage. Is it tail light broke? Shit, I might need another tail light too. Yeah, might. So we looking at hood, bumper, some body work, and that's it. Hood, bumper, and some body work. So it looks way better than the other one we was looking at yesterday, that other GS. All right, let me know what y'all think. Let me get up on out of here. All right, Hustle Nation, we back in the car, man. I was going to go jump that Lexus ES, but they didn't have any jump box available. And then they said that I could bring my own, so I was walking back there with my own jump box, and then somebody stopped me and said I couldn't bring it. So there was a misunderstanding. Like, I guess the people in the front said that they said that the new rule was you can bring your own jump box, but then they turned it around and said no. So I don't know. And then of course, you know, Copart gives you your own jump box. Well, not every Copart, y'all know every location got different rules. So yeah, they did give me a jump box, and I mean, they couldn't give me a jump box because they didn't have any available. And then when I went to go bring mine, they said I couldn't, you know what I'm saying, after they told me I could the first time. So it's all good, man. I ain't really, you know, y'all know I don't really like messing with stuff that doesn't have power already. So but we did find that GS. I like that GS, and I plan on getting that GS, man. I like it. So can't wait for that thing to go for sale. So that's gonna be the next car. So I appreciate y'all. I love y'all. Shout out to the whole Hustle Nation. It's your boy Ray, Big Play Ray. I'm out. Peace.
We're getting it in the pandemic.
You already know, man.
We don't give a damn about no depression, recession. We're gonna make it happen.